Court Uncut. What the people want.
You now stand charged with another burglary of a motor vehicle. So they now have you on 2 charges of burglary of motor vehicle. I'm telling you that I'm going to do everything in my power to protect my public. I don't care how old you are. I don't care how young you are. You go out there, you start acting a fool. It's not going to go well for you. Do you understand? I just set someone's bond now at nearly $30,000 because they're out there running amok. Don't do it. I'm going to test you 50 days from today. If I find that you continue to use, it's not going to go well for you. Do you understand? We need to do probable cause on the new B&B because we haven't done it. So do you mind? On the new case,
Is that failure to ID?
no. So there is a failure to ID. There's one BMV, and I guess later on in the day goes out and allegedly has another BMV.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
On April 7th, 2025, law enforcement officers were dispatched to a burglary call in Harris County, Texas, and met with the complaining witness, who stated that around 6 a.m. he heard his car alarm going off and observed 2 males wearing all black making entry into his vehicle. Another law enforcement officer that was dispatched to that location observed 2 males matching the description in the same area, and the defendant had complaining witness's key fob on his person that was in the middle console of the vehicle. I believe when they broke it.
So that's how they put him, because he's got someone else's key fob.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Then he was identified by movable AFIS.
I think I need to get attached to that third one.
We'll attach you to it now. Yeah. So do you want to file I guess another one because he has a new case?
Your
The
Honor.
one in 416?
Yeah. Or I guess we need to get it over here. You want to do a transfer? Okay. Yeah. You
I
want to.
was gonna say, on mine, it was still showing.
Yes. I don't want you out in the middle of the night. I'm going to put a monitor on your ankle so I know where you are at all times. I don't want you to have any contact with the complaining witnesses in this case, and I don't want you to go anywhere where they live. You pick up a 4th case, I'm going to go haywire. Do you understand? What are you doing with yourself these days?
No, I'm gonna finish school and I'll think about joining military.
Not why you have all these cases open. Did you not get enough sleep last night? What-
Not really.
While these cases are open, you must either have a job or get back into school full time. When you have too much time on your hands, you become self-destructive. And the days of you just sitting doing nothing are not going to happen. I'm bringing you back in 2 weeks and I want to see what you have done to get a job. If you have done nothing, it's not going to go well for you. Do you understand?
That's not.
Do you have an ID? Okay, I want you to start going applying for as many jobs as you can, or you get back into school. While these cases are open, military is not going to take you. I don't think if that's something that you want to go do, that would be great because that would give you great structure, which you probably really need. I mean, the military would be a fantastic idea for you that would really, could potentially put you on a career path that could just lead you to the clouds, really. What you're doing now, you're charged with 2 counts of burglary. You know what that'll do to your career? Who hires burglars? No. You think you won't even get financial aid with that kind of stuff? Really, it will hose your whole career. So for now, you must either get a full-time job, start looking into going back into school, but you doing nothing, it's not going to happen. Do you understand? All right. So what we'll do is we'll bring him back in 2 weeks. We'll see what he's done. I'm going to test you 50 days. Don't use. And I'm giving you a curfew of 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. Do you understand?
That's not.
If I find that you're out past curfew, I will revoke all of your bonds. They're going to go high. Okay. Thanks. All right. Take care, Mr. Bullock.
Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss crazy courtroom moments like this one.